and
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What are you talking?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon. Yeah.
Logical, subliminal now information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
You did comedy showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes. All right. Here we go.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects.
Half pit bull would be a pit too.
How do they know which name goes first?
Yes. All right. Here we go.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
An interdisciplinary analysis of sound, predicated on linguistics, language.
Keep it going for Patrice O'Neill.
You did comedy showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes. All right. Here we go.
I'm going to do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
With half Shih Tzu and half pit bull would be a pit too.
How do they know which name goes first?
What did I do?
Tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon.
Yeah, it's Shih Tzu and a Pitsu.
A lot of ambiguity, a lot of play on words, a lot of surrealism, a lot of absurdity. If you look at ideas, whole idea of time dilation or special and general relativity.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is we're not like it's not a tell. That would just
Physics of sound. Yeah.
What?
Dance with the Stars. It wasn't as good as Buddy Holly because I go.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right?
Buddy Holly. That was a good film. I like that. What did I do?
I'm going to do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure. You strum a chord or you're playing. If you look at ideas, whole idea of time dilation or special and general relativity.
What's up, man?
How are ya, Bill Burr?
The linguistics of sound. Spatial equilibrium and governing dynamics. You can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface.
Keep going for Patrice O'Neill.
A dressing room or something. What room are you in?
Keep it going for Patrice O'Neill.
Hey, yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right? I'm going to do my Robert Downey Jr. You ready?
Sure.
Hello, I'm Robert Downey Jr. And I am.
What kind of thing are you trying to pull right now?
Whoa.
What's up, man?
How are ya, Bill Burr?
What's going on, Louie?
Good to see ya. Wow. Looks like some sort of Vanguard dressing room or something. What room are you in?
Keep it going for Patrice.
Whoa.
Just in there, we were stealing like those little fuzzy little animals and things you got for animals. You're at a bus station or something. Why am I hearing a bus? Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable. I'm hearing a bus.
Because I'm Hello, I'm Robert Downey Jr. I'm Iron Man. Yes. Iron Man, the man of... You good at Teletubby?
What?
So humor is predicated on linguistics. So
You good at Teletubby?
Just doing deep fakes.
dream state. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects. There's no commonality.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
Yeah. To be in your presence.
Fiction, any form any image on a two-dimensional surface. You know, I am aware it's an optical illusion, but I found the optical illusion to be quite a fascinating phenomenon.
Just doing deep fakes.
So, linguistics is one of my primary infatuations because it really helps you unravel a lot of different stuff. Deep state. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects. And I call it like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary, and interdisciplinary analysis of sound. Predicated on linguistics, language. There are a lot of ambiguity, a lot of play on words.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
Yeah.
Logical, subliminal now information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
We're all stand-up comedians. Everything.
I hope.
You know, for the one doing the interviewing, I don't think you are.
I'm trying to contain myself and be professional. Sorry.
Yeah, but if we can live forever, then why don't you just eat whatever you want?
Because it end up the stick. So there's a polarity to create that balance. You can't have a light without dark. You can't have dark without light. So polarities are really contingent on each other. Right, so
Like, it's not a tell. That would just I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it was, I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let's read that.
Solipsism. Solipsism is one of those philosophical ideology that is predicated around the idea of only the mind that exists.
Then it's a sort of circular.
Mirror projection.
Hertz was actually named after it. When you double the frequency, lexicographers' inability to decipher the ambiguous nature of language.
It says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just...
Because a premise is ambiguous. And a proposition is ambiguous.
It's empathy a lot of times too, right?
Empathy. Empathy, of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend...
you are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.